Well, Chris, we're at Denbigh, 3-2 winners. That's a statement to be made on a Friday night under the lights. Your thoughts on the performance and the score?
Yeah, obviously a really tough game. You'd expect it everywhere you go in this league. It's going to be difficult. I thought the lads were outstanding. The work rate from start to finish, the way they defended for each other and battled through when they didn't have spells of possession. And I thought we were a constant threat on the break. I said at half time they'll probably be in there change news talking about the fact that they've had more of the ball, but I would say it was probably 2-2 on big chances, so no difference there. And then I thought the second half, as we changed shape and matched them up a little bit, we come more and more into the game, and I feel we were worthy winners at the end.
And to bring Darren Thomas on to score as well, that must make you smile on the side. Yeah,
well, obviously we know the quality that he's going to bring to the club, and yeah, he couldn't have asked for a better start. It was lovely build-up playing, and he took his goal well.
The third goal sealed the situation, and then we're unbeaten now, but 2 very difficult games coming up in the next week. How do you assess the next 2?
Yeah, I mean, just because we're on a good run at the minute and we're winning games, it doesn't mean I'm going to lose sight of what the overall objective is this season. And it's our first season back at Tier 2, so we've got to keep our feet on the ground, keep putting performances in, keep working as hard as we are everywhere we go, and yeah, results will come and we'll see where it takes us.
It's a strong squad. Can we keep everybody happy is the question.
That's, to be able to compete in this league and win games, you're going to have a strong squad. So, that's my job to keep the lads ready for when they get their opportunity. And I'd have no qualms about putting any player in at the minute, like you say, top quality all round. So, yeah, the lads who've got the shirt have got to keep it, and the lads who haven't are biting to get in at the moment.
Because there is a window shutting in 10 days. That's the difference in Tier 2 to Tier 3. So we need a strong squad.
Yeah, that exactly like you say. You've got to have a strong squad in this league. We're lucky at the moment we haven't got injuries or suspensions or anything like that, or people on holiday, but that will come shortly. So there's lads to come back in, and yeah, everything's so positive at the club at the moment, and we just keep moving forward.
Positive results. Da iawn. Diolch yn fawr. 3-2. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.